Hey there mga my loves, Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. By the way, my name is Yan, and the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. And to the new subscribers, hi and hello! Welcome kayo dito sa community namin. My name is Yan. So yan mga babes, no? Reminders that this is not for everybody. Just take how this resonates. And syempre, wala tayong gender, ageless din ito, no? And zodiac sign, pag may nang-mention, no? Let's not get fixed to that. That's why hindi ko yun madalas sinasabi kasi parang hindi kayo maguluhan or what, no? Just feel the vibe, just feel the connection. If you are resonating okay with the reading, then this reading might be really for you. Okay? So yeah. So let's see what do we have here for your November 2023 Aquarius. So Spirit and Angel guys, can you please show me? Thank you so much for being with us. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Aquarius for November 2023. Let's go ahead and check this out for you guys. This is for Aquarius, November 2023, please. Aquarius. What does Aquarius needs to know? November 2023, please. Aquarius. Oh. Okay. Shuffling is one of our way to catch the right energy, mga babes. So, yeah. For November, you've got right here Aquarius na come together. Wow. So, yeah. You know what? Dalawa na kuha ko rito. Mixed energies ito. So, if this is you, mga babes, no, that wala ka naman ka-connect right now, or wala ka naman mga babes na parang boyfriend or girlfriend right now, but you have this ideal partner, it looks like, yeah, you're gonna meet someone here. Yeah, no, you're gonna come together here with someone okay na you will feel this parang kakaiba yung pakiramdam. There's this soul-to-soul connection from here. Yan. It's like with the reconciliation, I'm getting that if it is a new energy, reconciliation here means na magkakaroon ng reunion sa inyo ng ka-connect mo ng iyong past life right here. Yan, no? Nakakonect mo siya sa iyong past life right here. Okay? But if you are in a connection right now or ikaw ay nasa isang connection with a boyfriend, with a girlfriend right here or maaring hindi pa kayo legal or hindi pa kayo officialing kayo, nakikita ko rito no, na kayo ay magtatagpo with this come together, magiging isa ang inyong hangarin, lalo na sa relasyon ni ito. So nakikita ko may pagbubuklod, it's a union right here. So I'm seeing positive at maaring mag-take to the next level ang inyong connection ng person na yan. And for others, ito para sa iba, yan, if this is you waiting for some kind of an ex right here to the point na ikaw to na ready ka na bigyan ng pagkakataon sino man yan, that's just for few of you, okay? Huwag kayo magkoramentado mga babes, no? Sa general reading ito marami rito, kaya nga binabanggit ko ang nakikita ko dito. But we're gonna clarify it later, okay? Pero kung ikaw ay isa dun sa few, okay, of people na naghihintay dito na bumalik ang iyong ex-person, like someone here na naka-relationship mo na, I'm seeing reconciliation for you guys, and it gives me the vibe of um, love is sweeter the second time around. Oh, yan. Okay. You also have right here, we're gonna clarify it later. We also have here the meeting. Yeah, see, look at that. This is my romance is blooming energy. So whatever the case may be, okay, I think you're gonna meet right here someone that will really mararamdaman mong connected ka talaga. Yan, sa iba, doesn't have to be in a love relationship. Pero maaaring makatagpo ka rito ng mga tunay na mga kaibigan, mga bagong nilalang, no, or bagong karakter na papasok sa buhay mo. At maaaring sila ay higit sa isa. So we have here two or more people. Yeah. Yung iba doesn't have to be, no, na friendship lang yan. So maaari rin yung partnership rin sa trabaho. Like, this person will help you, no, na matulungan kang umangat pa baka i-share niya sa'yo ang knowledge niya rito na para ikaw ay matulungang ma-enhance ang skills mo. Baka these people right here ay makita rito ang kagalingan tinataglay mo pag pagtrabaho ang pinag-uusapan na ito. So, tingnan natin yan, no? So, meron ka rin dito mga babes no, na pressure cooker. So, yeah. Oh, let's see at the bottom of the deck added information about this one. So, whatever the case may be, looks like someone here is baka pwedeng uminit yung ulo mo. Magpainit ng ulo mo rito, no? To the point na maaring magkaroon ng argumento kung sino man ito. So, yun na nga, alamin natin dito, no? So, maaring ito ay may kinalaman sa pera, may kinalaman naman sa usaping puso rito, no? Or maaring ito ay, nakuha ko yung iba, parang usaping pamilya ito, no? Parang magagalit ka, no? To the point na, eto unahan ko na kayo, because pregnancy is right here. This is literally pregnancy na nakukuha ko dito. So, baka meron dyan sa pamilya ninyo, no, na maaaring estudyante pa, example lang to, pero ika-clarify pa natin, no? Kunyari, estudyante pa siya, na hindi malalaman nyo na siya ay may nagdadalang tao na pala. Yeah, so it's an early motherhood for this family member here, parang ganyan. Like, hindi pa ready yun, no? Kung sino man yung family member na yun, or kung sino man to connected sa inyo, no? Kasi someone close to you, kasi hindi ka naman magagalit to the point na parang, alam niyo, nakakarinig ako, pressure cooker tong nakikita nyo dito, no? Pero yung naririnig ko, yung alam niyo yung whistle ng takore, yung classic na takore, yun. So, whatever the case may be, to the point na magagalit ka kasi super concerned ka with these people or with this person kung sino man to. Let's see what next. Obsession. Yeah, must have indulgence. So, whatever the case may be, looks like whoever this tao na to na malalaman mo, no, na pwedeng pregnancy talaga yan, no, or nagsisimula siya rito, no, ng bago ritong business out of adrenaline rush. Ano yung adrenaline rush? Yung parang nagpapanik ka, parang bigla ka na lang nagdesisyon rito, no, ng ganon. So, maiinit yung ulo ninyo or magagalit kayo rito. Yan, you will be on fire right here. So, we're gonna find out. Let's start clarifying na. Dito muna tayo no, sa usaping pag-ibig for you, guys. Look at this. Magician. So, this is what you've manifested. Uy, Aquarius. Tell me about this come together for my Aquarius November. Yung iba, I can see proposal dyan, ha? Yung iba nag-propose na nung nakaraan, so maaaring ikasal na rin kayo ngayong November. Yo, I'm seeing someone wearing a long gown. That's what I'm sensing. It's white in color. But more likely, you'll find this kind of different feeling. It's a soul-to-soul connection. Soul-to-soul connection with someone. This could be someone from other country with the world card that I saw while shuffling. Or this could be someone here that you could probably meet. This could be of a different culture but doesn't have to be. Pwedeng kapwa Pinoy pero naninirahan or baka nasa ibang bansa because of work. Okay, so come together. We have here this Knight of Cups energy, romantic gestures, romantic actions. It is offer of romantic love. Wow, could be the same as your age or close to your age, but let's not get fixed with that. Termination ko kasi nakuha natin yon. But this is somewhat romantic feelings evolving right here. So this is not just romantic feelings, ha? So baka sabihin ninyo, baka naman mamaya, miss yan, hindi ako makakain, hindi ako umunlad dyan, baka magutom kami ng mga bata. Puro lang romantic. Hindi mga babes, so I'm seeing trees right here. And whoever this individual is, this person is holding that big cup. Oh, malaki yan, mas malaki sa mukha niya. So, ibig sabihin, this person will take responsibility. Kung ano yung sasabihin niya, no, express ng pagmamahal sa'yo, words, actions, patutunayan niya rin yan. So, hindi kayo magugutom. I'm seeing yun. Makakabili kayo ng dinuradong bigas or ipugaw. And yeah, we have here the Seven of Swords energy together with the King of Pentacles. See, may pera dito mga babes, no? At saka may success ako nakukuha at nakikita sa kanya. So, nakikita ko rito na itong trabahong paparating sa kanya, mga mahal, no, is yung mag-aangat sa kanya. Okay? So ganito yan, no? Parang, etong person na ito, person ninyo ngayon or person na darating pa lang sa buhay ninyo, kung sino man siya, no? This person with the Seven of Swords, miss yan, Seven of Swords. Deception. Hindi laging ganun mga mahal, no? This is someone here who will protect this relationship. Pwede kanyang protektahan. Parang siya yung klase ng individual dito with this come together na parang, dyan ka lang sa likod ko, dito ako sa harap. Parang handa kong salagin lahat ng mga negatibo bagay na paparating sa'yo. Handa akong salagin lahat ng mga problema dito. Handa akong isakripisyo yung sarili ko. Ganong klase. Very romantic it is. This person will protect you right here. Okay? And this person with this King of Coins, this is someone here who will seize you, focused on you here, wants to share his or her stability with you, will be responsible right here in building a life with you, building a home with you. This is someone that's faithful. You heard it right. This is someone that's faithful here. At nakita tayo dito na oportunidad sa kanya no, sa trabaho kung saan mas magiging matured siya rito. Mas matured. Okay, para mas expand pa yung money niya, para mas expand pa rito yung stability niya, no, para mas mabigyan kanya ng magandang life. Okay? Sa iba, life ninyo yan sa future. Let's see what's next. Okay? We have here the Eight of Swords energy. Yeah, whatever the case may be, okay, hindi ito magiging madali. May mga challenges ito na nakikita tayo rito, no, na pagdadaanan itong person mo, pero nakikita ko pagtatagumpayan niya yan. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, nasa kanya lang rin mga babes, no, ang susi, no. Tsaka ito, nakukuha ko dito, parang meron siyang mga magagandang ideas na nakakulong lang sa kanyang mind right here. This person will eventually discover that inner wisdom and deep knowing at magagamit niya yan, no, para mag-excel dito. At makukuha at magagamit niya yan. Yes, that's what I'm getting. His or her angels and spirit guides will guide this person of yours, no, na matanggap nila ang mensahe dito, no, na kinakailangan nila, no, na pag-ibayuhin or gamitin rito ang mga natatago nilang galing. Nang sa gayon, no, sila ay mas umunlad sa pagdating dito ng usaping financial or life in general. Kasi syempre, no, aminin natin, when you have money, you can improve your life better, isn't it? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this person here is someone na hindi nag-aaksaya ng oras sa wala. Masipag siya. Tsaka marunong siyang makinig. That's what I'm sensing. Tsaka matalino siya. I find this person very smart and intelligent. Okay, now let's clarify this meeting right here for you, Aquarius. Oh, you've got the sun. So whoever this individual is, no, makakasama mo sila sa kalokohan, happiness. And you will feel really comfortable whenever you are with these people here, no? Maaring makilala mo yung mga yan sa common people rin. Nakilala mo, mga common friends mo rin, no? Or baka sa trabaho mo makilala yung mga yan. These people will not pala make a strong foundation sa inyong connection, pero mararamdaman mo talaga na parang nahanap mo yung tamang grupo kung saan ka belong. If you know what I mean. Like your true soul tribe. Ito talaga yung mga friends na dito talaga ako dapat sa circle na to belongin. No? Tapos parang ikaw to na, ba't ngayon ko lang kayo nakilala? Parang may nakuha tayong ganun. No? Yan. Parang, saan kayong lupalop ng earth? Ba't ngayon lang tayo nagkita-kita? Yan, no? May ganon. So, maaaring pala biro sila. No? Actually, nakikita ka tang super saya to the point na kita na yung ngalang-ngala mo. So, tatawa ka dito. Siguro pag nagkikwentuhan kayo to the point, tatawa ka rito ng bongga. Yan. So, it is being clarified by the High Priestess. See, your soul to soul, no? Kumukonek yung soul to soul ninyo sa isa't isa right here, no? India with the Four of Coins energy right here. In the Ten of Pentacles, yeah. See, maaaring makilala mo sa itong mga ito sa work right here but doesn't have to be. Pwede rin naman sa common friends right here. Pero I'm seeing na hindi mo i-let go itong klase ng friendship na matatagpuan mo, no? Kaya nga may ganun ka, no, na parang, saan kayo napalop galing? Ba't ngayon ko lang kayo nakilala? And these people will help you achieve this 10 of coins. See? Hindi lang sila dito makakasama mo, no, through happiness or through tawa, through laughs right here, no? Pero sila yung tutulong sa'yo na umangat. So, pwedeng makilala mo sila sa workplace mo, sa business mo, sa trabaho, whatever it is. I'm seeing na this person or these people will support you. Okay, two or more energies right here. Yeah, support you to achieve your dreams and wishes come to your reality. See? Diba? Saan ka pa, no? Pinatatawa at pinasasaya ka na ng mga ito, no? Tapos sila pa pala yung makatutulong rito upang makarating ka dito sa pagtupad ng iyong wish, okay, at dreams in life. So yeah, dito na tayo, no? Ano yun, miss yan? Bakit init yung ulo ko dyan? Why is pressure cooker an entrapment here? Together with obsession. What is this all about? If you happen to hear the tambol, yan mga babes, no? May nanalo na kasi. And I don't want to be biased, pero nanalo yung gusto kong manalo. So, woo! Chairman, congrats. So, okay, okay. Okay, let's go. Magagalit kayo kasi close nyo siya eh. Mm-mm. Padalos-dalo siya rito. Inukuha ko rito. So, we have here the chariot card. There's this Ten of Wands. And there's this Eight of Cups right here. Followed by this Two of Swords. Yeah, definitely. Nagoyo to. Nagoyo to, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung sino siya sa life ninyo, pero what I'm getting is that this person is close to you. Akala niya kasi, parang ito na yung sagot para makaalis siya sa problemang dinadala niya, kung ano man yan, okay, no? Kaya hindi na siya dito nakapag-isip ng maayos. Tinan mo dito, may desisyon siya rito, diba? Parang desisyon siya agad kasi akala niya ito na yung blessing na yun, ito na yung hinihintay niya rito. Hindi niya alam, entrapment is here. Okay? Parang imbes na tulungan siya nitong tao na to or sitwasyon na to, no, na bagay na to, no, hindi siya rito nag-isip, gumuna siya agad with this chariot card right here in the Ten of Wands. Kasi akala niya ito yung makakatulong, no, para makalis siya sa sitwasyon niya. Magbibigay ako ng example, pero hindi ko sinasabing ito na yung mga mahal. Here, if it is your niece, sabi natin na pamangkin mo yan, na babae or nephew, yan. Example, ikaw nag-alaga nun, nasa tirahan mo yan, no? And there's this niece of yours right here, no? Na meron pala siya ritong boyfriend, hindi niya sinasabi, at nag-aaral pa siya rito, no? And this person here is somewhat tinago niya yun, syempre dahil magagalit ka. Eh, may nagkaroon dito, no, ng pregnancy. So, pwedeng nabuntis siya right here, no? So, this person is now realizing here, no, na akala niya, tama yung ginawa niya, mali pala. Okay, yung iba pwedeng tapos na to, nangyari na to, no? Tapos na kayong magalit about that situation. And this person is now realizing, no, na mali yung ginawa niya. Nakikita niya rito ng hirap ng buhay. Yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya, ang hirap ng buhay, no, na nag-aaral ka, tapos nag-aalaga ka ng baby. So, yun yung kukuha ko dito. Yun yung nakikita ko mga babes, no. Hindi ko sinasabing mahirap yung pagiging motherhood. Pero kasi with this case, example lang naman yun, no. Kung miss mo siya, nakikita ko dito, nagagalit ka kasi syempre gusto mo siya magtapos ng pag-aaral, no. At ayaw mo siyang mahirapan kasi mahal mo siya. Okay? Ganun yun. Akala niya yun yung magiging sagot rito. I don't know if your niece or this person here, example lang yun ng mga babes, no? This person here, naka-close mo, hindi ko alam kung nahihirapan ba siya na mag-aral, magpasa ng module, or maggawa ng assignment dito, or mag-aral for exam, mag-review. Kasi parang gusto niya takasan yun eh. Given by the fact na bata naman siya, bata pa siya, okay. So, parang inisip niya na pag siguro nagkaroon siya ng boyfriend dito, baka tataas yung grades niya, yung ganun, no? Or, I don't know, pero yung nakukuha ko, that's why I'm giving you this example here, no? Okay, another example na lang, no? maliban dun sa may niece kayo dito na nagkaroon ng pregnancy here. Let's just say, if this is kunwari a member of your family right here, magagalit ka kasi binibigyan mo siya ng pera, iniiwanan mo ng pera pang gastos dito. Para igastos niya sa sarili niya, 'di ba? Para bumili siya pagkain, bumili siya ng ganito. Yung malaking amount na yon, ininvest niya sa scam pala. Na-excite siya kasi nga lumabas bilang Ace of Cups energy. So in short, maaaring ito ay akala niya malaking blessings na darating at magiging kapalit dito. Natakbo yung pera, naggoyo, hindi pinanagutan. Okay? In short, hindi pinanagutan or hindi dumating sa punto na nakuha nila yung outcome na una nilang naisip dahil una sa lahat, hindi na pag-isipang mabuti, basta na lang dito nagdesisyon. No? Nauna yung kilos bago yung nag-isip eh. Yun yung nakita ko rito eh. Yan, no? So, yan, ikakagalit mo dito. Pero, mangingibabaw pa rin ang pagiging concern mo. So, nandiyan ka pa rin para tumulong. Ikaw lang yung malalapitan niya eh. Wala nang iba. So, kung sino man siya malapit siya sa'yo, example yung family members or closest friend, just take how this resonates. Okay? Let's see more. Oo, kailangan talaga pag-isipan mga mahal. Lahat ng ginagawa natin, Aquarius, no? Tell me more. Ngayon natin ayusin yan mga bibs. For my Aquarius. November 2023. Diba? May iba-iba pang case yan. Like for example, binibigyan mo ng pera. Akala mo, binibili niya ng pagkain. Yun pala pinangsusugal. Ganun, no? Kaya init yung ulo mo. Pero may ibabaw pa rin ng pagmamahal dito para sa'yo. So, maaaring family member nga yan or ka-close mo, no? Iba, baka anak niyo yan or whatever, just like how this resonates. Okay. So, you've also got right here, there's this king. Yeah. Wow. So, literal na king talaga ang makakakonect ninyo rito, mga babes, no? Pero very humble. At ang laki ng puno sa likod, no? May mga maliliit pa na plants dito at leaves. So, maaari talagang stable tong person na to, no? Person ninyo ngayon, iba baka asawa nyo na yan, or magiging asawa nyo na yan, or paparating pa lang to, no? This person right here is very, very siya, nagko-comfort siya, at saka, siya yung klase ng tao na aalagaan ka talaga. Yeah, see? Tapos dito pa natin to ilalagay sa ilalim ng King of Pentacles, no? Literal na double confirmation. Yeah. This person is actually someone here na magiging responsable sa'yo. That's what I'm getting, no? To the point na baka may business pa yan kasi money is coming sa kanya eh. Yun na nakukuha ko rito. Wow. And also you've got right here, there's this loss. Yeah. So I think this person will come into your life, mga babes, no? Kapag kami nag-end sa'yo na situation, pwedeng loss of something, loss of a situation when it comes to career or money related. Pwede rin naman na business yan. Pwede rin naman na literal na loss of a loved one. Basta yung feeling like na parang may nag-end sa situation mo, no? This person yun na yung sign na papasok siya sa life mo rito, no? At siya yung magdadagdag ng color into your life. Yeah, bubuhayin niya yung mundo mo rito. Actually, hindi niya rin in-expect na darating ka sa buhay niya kung parating pa lang ito. Okay, at kung kilala mo na siya, hindi niya rin in-expect no, na makakatagpo siya ng kagaya mo. Wow! So, at the bottom of the deck, Aquarius, you do have here, honey, there's this cyclist. This person could be someone who is taking care of his or her body. Baka siya ay nagbisikleta or doing some kind of exercises, not just in the morning, but I'm seeing that this person here could be somewhat someone here na loves nature. Baka gusto niya yung mountains kasi nakikita ko yun here. So whatever the case may be, there is something blooming beautifully right here. And yeah, there you go. Trust is right here. Maybe this person loves stargazing. Maybe this person loves astrology, planets right here. Or maybe this person just find calmness, no? Habang nakatingin dito, no? Sa night sky. So, yeah, kung sino man tong tao na to sa buhay mo, very humble, simple lang siya rito, manamit, kumilos, at simple lang rin siya na pamumuhay, pero yung ipon niya, yung savings niya, yung money niya, plakak, no? Ano yung plakak, miss? Plakado. Plakado, habi. Yung hindi mo akalain, no, na dami pala niyang pera or successful pala siya when it comes to work or mataas pala yung posisyon niya, no? Kasi humble siya. At saka, makikita mo, minimalist, no? Simple lang siya rito. Sa pananamit, okay? So, hindi mo talaga akalain na isa pala siya rito, no? Na someone who is stable. Okay? So, we have here the seasonal harvest. Yeah! Meron ka talaga dito mga babes, no, na aanihin. Like, maaring may business ka dito na magdala ng pera sa'yo at stable na yon. Parang fix na yon. May season na aabangan mo na alam mo nakikita ka dyan. So, I don't know if it's farming. Baka related rin yun sa mga plants. Baka plantito at plantita ka. But whatever it is, yun na yung permanente. It's like seasonal, inaantay mo na lang. Kunyari example, may restaurant ka. Yan, no? And every ganitong month, alam mo na magbubugso yung tao at lalaki rito, no, yung kita mo. Parang gano'n, nai-envision mo na. So, kung ano yung business na yun, hindi ko nakikitang nawawala yun sa'yo, kundi lagi mo pang inaabangan, no? So, wow, parang stable na. Kunyari, example, di ba yung Contis, yung Mary Grace, hindi ako endorsers ng mga yan. So, yung mga memes, no? Pero, di ba, every now and then, lagi sila rito, maraming orders kasi masarap yung mga foods nila, no? And then, yun nga, no? Lalo na especially pag holiday season, no? Dagsa yung mga tao. Parang alam na nung may-ari or alam na no, kung sino-sino yung mga namamahala doon. Expected na nila na meron silang inaabangan na malaki yung kita nila for that specific months. So, yan. Ikaw nakikita ko ganun din. Ano man yung sa'yo na business mo or baka may inaantay ka rito na parang side job mo or what, okay? So, yeah, we have here the ground and center. Yo, this is you. It looks like you manifested this. You manifested everything. This seasonal harvest, these new connections coming in, new friendships. Yeah, you've manifested this person here, the love of your life, and yeah, it's all coming. It's all coming right here. So yeah, maaaring mahilig ka sa boats or mahilig ka sa hoodies, but doesn't have to be. Or baka sa work mo, lagi ka nagdadala ng scarf or may hoodies ka or blazer kasi malakas yung aircon. Or malamig doon. Okay. So, yung iba doesn't have to be ni aircon yun. Pwedeng yung klima itself. So, thank you so much, Aquarius. Sana ngayong love and life. Annyeong.